Incoming meteorite! Whew. That was a space rock crashing on Earth, also called a meteorite. A meteorite travels at really high speeds, thousands of miles per hour, and when it crashes on a surface, it leaves an impact crater. Hello, 5th to 8th graders. In this kit, we have packed a lot of impactful stuff. Beware, it might trigger an interest in geology, rocks, physics, and a lot of other fascinating topics. In this kit, you will have supplies to make an impact surface and a couple of impactors that you can create impact craters with to study and discover the features and the factors that influence formation of impact craters. You will also get a very special bonus. Thanks to the Rice Northwest Museum of Rocks and Minerals, you will get a pass to visit the museum and a piece of meteorite, an actual piece of space rock, and some other rocks that form here on Earth. If you've never visited the Rice Museum, you are missing out on something wonderful that is here in our neighborhood in Hillsboro. All right, let's make some impact craters. In your kit, you will receive a couple of impactors. One will be a rubber ball and one will be a marble. Some sand and flour mixture for your impact surface, and colored sand as a top contrasting layer for your impact surface. You will also have instructions to make a tray for your impact surface if you do not have a tray at home. A data sheet where you can record all your observations, and a sheet that has the features of the craters. At home, you will need a sieve, a ruler, and tape to mark the distances for your impactors to drop from. All right, let's begin with the tray. Here is how you can fold a tray for your impact surface with the old activities guide. I've placed my paper tray on a board to catch the spatter. And then I've placed it near a wall. So now I can measure the heights from which I'm going to drop my impactors by using a ruler. So 30 centimeters is the length of one ruler. So I'm going to say, use that ruler and then place a mark on my wall with the tape to show the 30 centimeter mark. And then 60 centimeters is two ruler lengths. So I'm going to have another piece of tape and then mark the 60 centimeter mark over there. And 90 centimeters is, you got it, 3 ruler lengths. And so I'm going to place the third mark up here to say that's where my 90 centimeters is. Now I have the heights from which I am going to drop my impactors. First height, second height, and up there, the third height. Then when I have all of this set up, I am going to pour in the impact surface creator into my tray. And spread it out to make it nice and even. Now that we have the impact surface, we can create a contrasting layer by adding a little bit of colored sand and sieving it over the surface so that it's evenly spread. In a thin layer. Like so. Now we are ready to drop our impactor. So this is my first height. I'm going to try dropping my first impactor, which is the marble, and then there. Now, as you can see, the different features, and you can record them on your data sheet to say from the 30 centimeters. Before you pull out the impactor, I would say measure the crater size, and then once you have your crater size measured, then you can pull out the impactor, because otherwise it distorts the size of the crater. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this activity and discovered a few things that influence the formation of a crater, its depth, and the circumference of the crater itself. Observe a few of these craters from pictures of the moon, or if you have a nice binoculars, you can observe them by looking at the moon and see what features you can identify on those craters. Do impactors always fall straight down? They could fall at an angle. So try that out. To resurface your impact surface, you can use any contrasting colored material like cocoa powder or coffee powder or anything that is different in color from your impact surface so that you can observe the features much better. I have adapted this activity from the NASA website, Impact Craters Activity. If you want to learn more about this activity and do more, go to the NASA website and look for impact crater activity, and you will find more information there. And enjoy discovering. Until next time.